17 divided by 100. Here 100 is a divisor, 17 is a dividend, and we would like to find quotient or result. 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, these are called power of 10, of course positive. To divide a whole number by power of 10, what will you do? Just count the number of zeros and move the decimal point from right to left equal to that number of zeros. Here number of zeros is 2, so decimal point will move right to left 2 places. This is a whole number, so first decimal point will appear here, then you need to move 1 place, 2 place. So you are getting here decimal 17. You can add here one more 0 to mean that this is less than 1. So 0.17 is your quotient. Look, dividend is 17, but our quotient is 0.17. That is, dividend is greater than quotient. Actually, division means repeated subtraction, and in repeated subtraction, the value of the dividend will be decreased.